Good evening, I'm Tony M, and you're watching Blitz Brief TV. Our top story tonight takes us to the Federal High Court in Abuja, where a significant ruling has just been handed down that could shake up the political landscape in Edo State. Justice Ighodalo has nullified the People's Democratic Party (PDP Governorship primary election that took place on February 22, 2024. This primary had seen Asue Ighodalo emerge as the PDP's governorship candidate. However, the court found the election process deeply flawed due to the unlawful exclusion of 378 delegates who were supposed to vote in the primary. The ruling came as a result of a lawsuit filed by aggrieved delegates, represented by Kelvin Mohammed. Justice Ekhewan emphasized that the conduct of the primary election at the Samuel Ogbamudia Stadium in Benin City violated both the Electoral Act of 2022 and the PDP's own guidelines. In his judgment, Justice Ekhewan noted that the evidence presented by the PDP, referred to as Exhibit PDP-1, was inadequate and unconvincing. He pointed out that the returning officers, who were responsible for preparing the result sheets, seemed to have fabricated the poll outcomes, rather than reflecting the true votes cast. The exclusion of the 378 delegates, including the plaintiffs, was deemed illegal and against the provisions of the law. This ruling could have far-reaching implications for the PDP and the political scenario in Edo State, as the party will need to reassess its primary election process and candidate selection. In another story from Benin City, students from the University of Benin caused significant disruptions by blocking the Benin Ore highway in protest over prolonged power outages affecting their campuses in Ugbowo and Ekhewan. The protest left many commuters stranded and vehicular movement severely hampered. The university administration expressed its dismay at the recent hike in their monthly electricity bill, which has skyrocketed from an 80 million to an 80 million. This unexpected increase has undoubtedly compounded the already tense situation, leading to heightened unrest among the student body.
Protesting students of the University of Benin Ugbowo campus chanting songs to register their grievances over the lack of electricity supply in the campus for about 1 month. The poor electricity supply, amongst other problems, caused gross shortage of water, constant darkness leading to haphazard preparations for examinations, which the students say are around the corner. The students barricaded the Benin-Lagos Express Road, forcing vehicular movement to be on a standstill, while commuters trudged endlessly. Some of the protesters said the campus has been in darkness and everything that relied on electricity to function have become non-existent. They said they decided to protest after several committees to the school authorities failed to yield positive results.
No water to flush our toilet, no light. There's some places that fail to read at night. No light to read. Nothing. The whole place, our head is at risk. They say they increase the light bill. We are pleading. Federal government, I beg, they should come to our aid.
Generator that they are supposed to run 3 hours, they are on the generator. Yesterday there was no light. Day before yesterday there was no light. Now, how are we going to survive in this University of Benin? This was about the great school according to what I read out I choose to live in. If not, I've got to go and learn and work.
All our materials are in PDF. We cannot read because there's no light. In the hostels, we don't have water to bathe because there's no light. The utilities, they are bad because there's no light. You cannot flush. The students are suffering.
The public relations officer could not be reached to get reaction on what the school authorities are doing to restore electricity supply to the campus, as she was said to be away on official assignment.
Stay tuned to Blitz Brief TV for more updates on these developing stories and other important news from around the country.